Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can message to someone in Reddit. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Reddit application, and when you're right here, you're gonna see, like, let's click on profile, and I got this nerds create. And then I will just go to view profile. And here you have like most options. The first thing is go right click here and start the chat, send the message. You can go like here and write a message or start the chat. That's two ways how you can do it. Start the chat is like writing someone on Instagram in the DMs or in Messenger on Facebook, right? Or WhatsApp. That's like chat. But also writing message is also the same way, but it's like different little bit because it will appear not in the boxes, but here in the inbox, right? So chat will be here, and in inboxes you're gonna see message. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye.